Tonkeeper is a popular non-custodial wallet for the Ton, the open network blockchain, offering a robust set of tools both on mobile iOS, Android, and browser extensions. Key features. Self-custody and security. Users fully control their private keys via a 24-word seed phrase, with optional passcodes and biometrics, and no KYC required. Fast and super low fees. Ton's high throughput ensures transactions confirm within seconds, costing just fractions of a cent. Built-in swap and buy, sell. Integrated exchange support allows buying Ton, swapping tokens, and even peer-to-peer subscriptions directly in-app. Staking and governance. Stake Toncoin to earn rewards and participate in network governance and voting. dApp and NFT support. A built-in browser connects you to TON-based decentralized apps, NFTs, games, DeFi, without leaving the wallet. Battery Gasless wallets. Newer, W5 Smart. Wallet contracts enable gasless, fee-free transactions, with Tonkeeper and Ton Core standardizing this feature in 2024. Cross-platform access. Available as mobile apps, Chrome Firefox extensions, and a web version. There's also Tonkeeper Pro, a premium version built for power users and businesses. Signer client for ultra-secure use. An optional companion app, Signer, stores keys offline to enable secure transaction approvals, via QR or paired device, for enhanced protection. Speech balloon. Is Tonkeeper safe? Absolutely. As a non-custodial wallet, only you hold the keys. It's officially endorsed by the Ton Core team and has undergone repeated security upgrades. Gear. Who is it for? User type. Why it fits. New to crypto. Simple onboarding with seed phrase and clear UI. Everyday Ton users. Fast, low-cost transactions, token swaps, staking. dApp NFT gamers. Integrated dApp browser and NFT support. Security-focused users. Gasless wallets plus optional offline key storage with Signer. Power users. Businesses. Tonkeeper Pro offers enhanced tooling and team features. Rocket. Getting started. 1. Download from the App Store, Google Play, or browser extension gallery. 2. Create or restore a wallet. Back up the 24-word seed phrase securely. 3. Add funds. Toncoin or tokens. Explore dApps, stake, swap, and send. 4. Optionally install Signer for added offline key security. Extra tips. You can manage multiple wallet types, standard and W5 smart wallets, for different purposes. Take advantage of the battery feature to perform transactions even with 0 Ton balance. Checkmark summary. Tonkeeper stands out as one of the most complete Ton wallets, offering secure self-custody, super fast and low-cost transactions, smart contract-based gasless wallets, staking, dApp support, and an optional offline key module. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crypto user, it's a solid choice within the Ton ecosystem. Want help setting it up, understanding the smart wallets, or exploring dApps? Just ask. Step 1. Locate Tonkeeper on Google Play. 1. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. 2. In the search bar, type Tonkeeper or Tonkeeper Ton Wallet. 3. Select the app published by Ton Apps Limited. It has a 4.4/4.5 rating, over 10 million installs, updated recently in June 2025. Inbox. Step 2. Install the app. 1. Tap install or get to download the app to your device. Hammer and wrench. Step 3. Open and set up your wallet. 1. After installation, open Tonkeeper. 2. Select, create a new wallet. 3. Choose a secure PIN code. 4. Back up your 24-word recovery seed phrase, write it down and store it safely. You'll need it to restore your wallet. Light bulb. What you can do with Tonkeeper. Send, receive, and store Toncoin, USDT, NFTs, and other tokens. Interact with DeFi, dApps, subscriptions, and QR code payments. Benefit from fast transactions and low fees, thanks to the Ton blockchain. The app is non-custodial, meaning you fully control your private keys and no personal data is needed. Closed lock. Step 4. Secure your wallet. Save your recovery phrase in a physically secure place, offline. Optionally enable PIN or biometric protection for added access security. Checkmark. Step 5. You're ready to use. Receive funds by sharing your wallet address or QR code. Send. Enter recipient details and confirm with your PIN. Explore. Access built-in features like DeFi, subscriptions, NFT marketplace, and token swaps.